Welcome back to today's frequently excelled question with Yakir Haven. Today we're doing filtering using a list, which means we're going to have a small list which we're going to use as a filter for a larger list. So let's do it. First of all, we have over here a list of names. These could be customers, donors, anything like that, and they have their state attached to them. Now, for one reason or other, we want to remove the rows which match a certain list of states contained here. So we need to use this list as a filter for these rows and then remove them. Quite similar to comparing two lists. So what we're going to do is we're going to come into this sheet in cell C2 and use the COUNTIF function. The range is going to be this list of non-allowed states. Remember to use absolute references here to lock it in. And the criterion will just be the state of each row. So that's just B2. Close it up. Then you can drag down, double click. Now if it says 0, it means that the state is fine. If it says 1 or 2 or 3, it means it's not allowed, because that means that this state, MI, Michigan, is contained in this blackout list. All you have to do from there is filter the first row, select all the 1s, 2s, 3s, anything except for 0, and then you can highlight these rows and delete them. Close the filter, delete that, and now you have a cleaned list without Arizona, Connecticut, Georgia, Kansas, Michigan, and New Jersey. There you go.